Introduce highlight features or overview summary of MERKYO Halloween decorations outdoor, 5 feet large hanging swing ghost Halloween decor with string lights. There are features include 13 feet adjustable swing ghost. Adjust from compact 5 feet to 13 feet heights, perfect for yard trees and porch Halloween hanging decorations. 5 feet giant hanging ghost Halloween decor. Large floating figures with LED lights create spooky effects. 8-mode remote and 10-minute setup. Timer remote, 6 hours on 18 hours off, with 8 lighting modes. According to the instructions, simple assembly only takes 10 minutes. Requires 3 AA batteries, not included. Premium heavy drape fabric. Thick weighted fabric ensures elegant flow and durability. Enhances the flying cute ghost movements outside. Neighborhood Halloween fun. Watch neighbors point and passers-by pause. The floating light-up ghosts inspire playful reactions during evening strolls. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.